Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to model this part in SolidWorks. I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. First of all, I will model this base plate, then we will model this yoke type part, and lastly we will apply ribs to this part. We will also use evaluate command and we will measure the dimensions to verify our part with this drawing. So let's go to SolidWorks. As you can see, I am using SolidWorks 2020. Let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now you are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will use mmgs, millimeter gram second. Let's go to here, sketch, and I will select the top plane. First I will make this part, and this dimension is 75 by 52 and the thickness is 9. So I will use center rectangle. I will make a center rectangle like this. Let's dimension this. It is 75 and this dimension is I think 52. Okay, you can see it is fully defined. So I will rotate it. I'll go to here, features, extruded boss, and I will extrude in the Z direction 9 units. So I will change it to 9 and select OK. So next is I will make this yoke part. So let's go to SolidWorks. I will select this face, sketch. This dimension is 15. And it is right at the center, 40 millimeters away from this edge. So let's make one center line like this. Its dimension is 40. Let's make one arc, 3-point arc like this. I will select its center point and I will select this point and I will make it merge. Also, I will select this point, I will select this point and I will make it horizontal. The dimension of this circle is 15. You can see it is still not fully defined. So I will select this one and I will select this center point and I will make it horizontal. Now it is fully defined. Now I will use another command that is called offset. Basically, I want to offset this circle 8 units away from this arc. So let's go to SolidWorks. I will use offset entities command. I will select this arc and I will change it to 8. And I will select OK. Now I will make these two lines. These two lines are 9 millimeters apart and I will trim the unnecessary portion. So first I will join this sketch. Also, I will join this sketch. Now I will make two lines. One line like this and another line like this. Okay. These two lines are symmetric. I will select this line. I will select this center line. I will select this solid line and I will make it symmetric. The gap is 9 millimeters. And now I will trim this portion. You can see it is fully defined, but it is not a contour. So I will join this line to this line. Now you can see it is a close contour. I can use extrude command. I will rotate it. I'll go to here, features, extruded boss, and I will extrude it up to vertex, this one, and I will select OK. Now I will make these ribs. I will make one rib and I will use 3D mirror command to mirror this rib across this plane onto here, which I cannot see from this view, and it is right at the center of this part. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's go to your features, and here you will see this command rib. It is asking to select a plane, so I will select front plane. I only need to make one line like this. Okay. Do not make full contour. You are not using extrusion command, you are using rip command. So I will make one line. I will connect this vertex to this vertex and I will close it. You can see the direction of extrusion is correct, but the width is 8 millimeters, so I will change it to 8. Okay. And you can see extrusion in left direction, extrusion in both directions, or extrusion in left direction. So I will use this one. Extrusion direction is correct and I will select OK. You can see rib is added. I will use the 3D mirror command. I'll go to this drop down. I will select this command mirror. This is 3D mirror. It is asking mirror face or plane. So I will select this right plane. I will select this feature. You can see the preview and select OK. Now I will use another very important feature in SolidWorks, and that is Evaluate. Under Evaluate, you can validate several things like deviation analysis, draft analysis, symmetry check, thickness analysis, and you can also measure the dimensions so that you can compare this part with this drawing. So let's select this one, measure tool, and let's say I want to check this distance. It is saying that this distance is 22 millimeters from this vertex to this vertex. Let's go to SolidWorks. Let's select this vertex and let's select this vertex. And you can see this distance is 22 millimeters. You can see here, you can see here as well. Also, you can check this dimension. It is 33 millimeters from this edge to this edge. So for this, I will select this vertex. I will select this vertex, and you can see this dimension is 33 millimeters. You can see here as well, it is 33. Let's say I want to check the radius of this arc. It must be 15. Let's go to SolidWorks and let's select this arc. And here you can see radius is 15 millimeters, angle is 180 degree. Lastly, I will apply some appearance to this part. I will apply appearance at the features level. So I will select this first command. I'll go to here appearance, and let's say I will give it this appearance. Okay. Next is this one, this boss extrude. I'll go to appearance command again, and let's say I will give it this appearance, or maybe this one. And for the ribs, left rib and right rib, I will give it, let's say, this appearance. So that's how you can model simple parts in SolidWorks. Not only modeling this part in SolidWorks, but also you can verify this part before, let's say, drafting or machining, etc. So that concludes this short exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.